Hello everyone. Sometime back, openAI announced that they are providing ChatGPT-4o, the new model, for free for everyone.
The special thing about GPT-4o is that it brings GPT-4 level intelligence to everyone, including our free users.
How good is that? Today, we will explore the various professional tasks you can accomplish with this powerful tool and also how freely it is available. We will dive into practical examples like doing a data analysis or some project management tasks. Try to generate images using DAL-E.
Everything didn't go as planned in this demo, as you will find out.
You don't need any credit card to use these features.
I am on ChatGPT. To use the free version, you can sign up. You don't need a credit card for this, or you can log in. I will use a different ID to log in. You can enter your email ID here and continue. You can enter the password here and click continue. It needs to verify that you are human. Let us try this. Okay. Hey, I am human. Now it says you have reached your GPT-4o limit. Responses will use GPT 3.5 until your limit resets tomorrow after 12:01 am. This is because I recorded the rest of the demo before this to see the limits. You can explore the GPTs, you can explore DALL-E or custom GPTs as well. These are some of the tasks that I did earlier, which I will go over next. You can also upgrade plan, which we have seen free plus or team. You have access to DALL-E here. I will show you how to do that. Create an image of two knights, one on white horse and another on black horse, fighting each other. So it creates these stunning images and you can choose whichever you want and you can even download them here as WebP images, or if you can, adjustments as well. But let us try one of these views, like aerial view here. If you see here, aerial view, send. It says you reached your image creation limit. Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or try again after 11:40 am. This is about 7:40 pm here. So this is almost like 5 plus 11, 16 hours later. So we do have the disadvantage with the free version that you have only limited image creation capability. Let's go back to ChatGPT here. Make me a personal web page. Let's check this. This is something which I did earlier, like generate an image of a project manager creating a project plan on her laptop. It understood that it is for her, so it created the image appropriately. And also task list review. Generate an image of a project manager going over the task list. So it created an office setting. It knows that project manager is in the office. You can also use a custom GPT like DALL-E. So if you go here, explore GPTs. So these are the custom variations you can use. Featured, trending, by ChatGPT itself, DALL-E. This is how we were able to access DALL-E. Creative writing coach, Planty, data analyst, analyze and visualize your data. So code interpreter as well as data analysis. Start chart. Let me upload a file here. So it analyzes the data. What specific analysis would you like to perform on this data set? Let us choose the number 4. Please do category analysis. Now again, you see you have reached your limit of using GPTs. Get plus. So again, for data analysis, there is a limit on how much analysis you can do. Now, let us look at project management. Design and create a website for an organization that sells agricultural equipment in USA for home gardeners. So data analyst, I am not able to submit further requests. So let me change the GPT here back to ChatGPT. Please create a work breakdown structure for the following project. Design and create a website for an organization that sells agricultural equipment to home gardeners. Maintenance and support, project closure. See, the model has gone back to 3.5 now. GPT-4o only if I get plus, because I have already exceeded the limit. And right now GPT 3.5 is the fastest. Can you create a downloadable file for the above WBS? So with 3.5, we are not able to create a downloadable file. Now I am back after a day with the same prompt. Can you create a downloadable file for the above WBS? Here I was able to choose the 4o version and it gives. And there is the document that I can download. And if you see here, this is 2 of 2. First one failed because it did not have 4o. And now here you see that I can change the model to 4o and smart and fast. So same command you can run with 3.5 where it will just produce the report, whereas with 4o it will produce a downloadable file. 3 of 3 and it has produced the downloadable file again. So you can get 4o, but you need to be patient.
Now that we have seen ChatGPT-4o in action, it is clear that even the free version offers a lot of value for various professional tasks. Though I am a little disappointed that we keep hitting the limits, I feel with a little creativity and planning, you can still achieve a lot. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with ChatGPT-4o.